Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to apply online internship in IIT Indore. How to apply online internship in IIT Indore. So really it is a very good opportunity for all the students in India. Any student from any college can apply for this online internship, and you will get an opportunity to work under an IIT faculty. Okay, so don't miss the opportunity, and I will explain you everything in detail, and I will also provide this link in the description, so if you want you can use it. See the first point here: undergraduate students from various colleges, institutes and universities can pursue online internship under the guidance of a faculty mentor of IIT Indore. So basically it is a online internship. So here location is not the problem. The undergraduate students will get an opportunity to interact with IIT Indore faculty mentor in an online mode. So let's see all the details one by one. First one is faculty mentors. So here if you click on this link, you will get all the list of faculty who are offering the internship, and here we can find faculty from various departments like astronomy, astrophysics, and if you can come down, biosciences, biomedical engineering, right, and a department of chemistry here, and department of computer science and engineering. Suppose if you want to do an internship in deep learning, then you have to choose this faculty, Dr. Narendra Kumar. And if you want to do internship in soft computing, you have to choose Aruna Tiwari. Okay, so if you want to know more about these faculties, if you can click on this link, you will get the profile of faculty, so you can go through the details, and if you are really interested, you can apply for the internship. And IIT Indore faculty mentor will interact with undergraduate students through online mode. And the next point, the scope of training and the number of contact hours can be decided with the mutual consent of a faculty mentor and the student. So the number of months or time period is decided based on the discussion between the mentor and the student. And if you can see here, the duration is minimum 1 month and maximum 1 year, and the fees is rupees 2000 per month. Suppose if the agreement is made for 2 months, then you have to pay 4000, and the last date of application is anytime, so there is no last date. So whenever you feel that you are free, or whenever in your semester breaks, generally will be free, so at that time you can apply for this internship. And see the selection procedure. The undergraduate student has to directly interact with the faculty mentor of IIT Indore through email and get the consent for the online internship. So first of all, you have to send email to the faculty mentor, right, and you have to get confirmation from the faculty mentor. So after receiving the consent or confirmation, the undergraduate student can then fill in application form and pay the fee online. So first of all, you pay the fees online. So when you click on this, you are going to get a page like this. Fill up all the details here: contact number, email ID, name of the faculty, discipline, right? Discipline means branch, and here how much amount you have to pay, enter here, and here you have to choose online internship for the undergraduate students and click on submit. So after paying the fees online, then you have to fill the application form. So in this application form, provide your email, name, department, which degree you are pursuing, current semester, and your photo, and your college name, and your address, mobile number, date of birth, gender, and the faculty mentor to be selected from the list available. So see here, so this is the list of faculty members. So whoever faculty you have selected, give the name here. Okay, so write the name here, and area of online internship like artificial intelligence or soft computing, right, and the duration, provide here start date in this format and end date in this format, and registration fees, how much you have paid here, payment details, and payment details means something like a transaction number. Here you have to upload the college identity card, and also you have to upload payment fee receipt, and also you have to upload the faculty mentor consent. So once you send a request through mail to the faculty mentor, you will receive a confirmation or consent mail, right? So take a screenshot of that, or else they might send you some consent in a Word file. You download it and you have to upload it here, okay, and go through some important points here. And remember, fees once paid is not refundable. Consent from faculty mentor of IIT Indore is a must. Write the place and date here and upload your signature, and finally submit. So after doing all this process, then based on your discussion, the internship will start, okay. And finally, an e-certificate will be issued on the successful completion of online internship for the undergraduate students and submission of the report through faculty mentor of IIT Indore. So you are going to get the certificate also, which we can add in your resume, which will increase the weight of your resume, okay. Hope you understood the procedure for applying. So first of all, pay the fees online and then fill the application. Okay, thank you for watching.